Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Respected Asatida, dignitaries, esteemed judges, and my dear friends. Today, I stand in front of you to speak few words on the topic disaster and climate change, the way forward for a living. First of all, let us understand the difference between natural disaster and human-made disaster. Natural disasters are the disasters caused by natural forces, whereas like earthquake, floods, etc. While man-made disasters are caused by activities of human beings like burning of fossil fuels to generate energies. These activities led to climate change. So what is climate change? Climate change is a gradual heating of our planet through the emission of greenhouse gases. The burning of fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gas releases greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. These greenhouse gases blanket the earth, causing the planet to global warming. Warmer temperatures over time are changing weather patterns and disrupting the usual balance of the nature. The world is now warming faster than at any point in recorded history. The hottest recorded was from 2011 to 2020. That is very recent. They are leading to more frequent and intense extreme weather conditions such as heat waves, storms, and droughts. The glaciers of Arctic is melting twice as quickly as our location. That leads us to severe storms. In many areas, destructive storms have increased drastically. As temperature increases, more moisture evaporates to the atmosphere, which results in heavy rainfall and flooding. Other human activities that contribute to climate change include deforestation. Cutting down of trees at a wide range can affect the quality of the soil. The trees absorb water from the soil and releases it back to the atmosphere by the process of transpiration. When trees are removed, there is less water available to be recycled back into the soil. This can lead to drier soils and thus result in increased droughts. As the Earth's atmosphere warms due to climate change, it can hold more water vapor, which can lead to more intense rainfall and flooding. Floods are one of the most common natural disasters that occur in many regions of the world every year. Climate change is disrupting our India's monsoon season, leading to more extreme rainfall events. We have recently heard about the floods happened in some states of India like Himachal Pradesh, Delhi, and so on. Climate change is also causing sea levels to rise, which makes coastal areas more vulnerable to flooding. Trees helps to regulate the water cycle, but when the trees are cut, water cycling would be more difficult for farmers and the communities due to water scarcity. They will be less prone to get access to water. Our country is facing water scarcity due to climate change. Another threats of climate change include forest fires. A very example of forest fires would be the Amazon forest fires that has happened recently. So, how can we mitigate the climate change? Climate change can be mainly reduced by using renewable source of energy like solar panels, windmills, and etc. instead of using fossil fuels. Reducing deforestation and planting more trees can help to maintain the global temperature. Many government policies and agreements have been signed to mitigate the global warming. In conclusion, It is our collective responsibility to confront this global crisis. We must be transitioned to sustainable practices, more resilient future, to get more resilient future. Let us commit to preserving our planet for future generations. By this, I would like to conclude my speech. وآخر دعوانا الحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم.